Chelsea and Westminster NHS Foundation Trust is a large teaching trust here in London with two main hospitals, one on the Chelsea site here on the Fulham Road and one 7 miles away, the West Middlesex Hospital located in Hounslow. We have a range of off-site clinics providing mainly sexual health and HIV services, which we are the largest provider of across Europe. We have a range of specialist services, including our burns unit here on the Chelsea site, supporting London and the southeast of England. We also have a real strong ambition to be a leader in the field of innovation and research. We have a 12-bedded research facility here on the Chelsea site, which really helps us deliver the best and latest research opportunities for patients.
Chelsea CRF is based in a busy general hospital, so we have access to most common conditions spread across the trust. We have obviously Chelsea end where we have certain specific interests, but down at West Mid we have very many patients with all kinds of common conditions. Diabetes, heart disease and gastroenterological conditions. So many of the main areas that pharma and pharmaceutical industry are interested in doing their studies.
We welcome pharmaceutical companies or other research institutions to come to us with their protocols, with their idea, and we work with them to make sure that all the regulatory and ethical approvals are in place. We run these studies in collaboration with the sponsors, recruit people from the community, and help with the development of new treatments or new prevention tools like vaccines. We have been working on the development of a very high number of anti-infectives over the past 20 to 30 years. We have actually contributed to the development of more than 15 antiretroviral drugs for the treatment of HIV. We contributed to HIV to become a chronic manageable infection from a deadly disease that it used to be. During the COVID pandemic, the speed with which the development of certain therapeutic tools or certain vaccine took place was almost unprecedented. In the mid-90s, early 2000s, we had a similar experience for HIV because people were dying of AIDS. The expertise that the infectious diseases teams had in researching new drugs and new vaccines were translated into COVID and allowed the approval, the availability of vaccines so quickly.
The benefit of our North West London Alliance, our closer links with primary care, means that whatever sort of study a pharmaceutical company would like us to run, we can always find the right recruits, the right environment to run that study. Cerner is an electronic patient record, which virtually the whole of North West London is going to be on very soon. Certainly ourselves and Imperial are on that. When a company approaches us, we find out which patients we have with those specific conditions that a company wants. We'll be able to estimate how many of those patients we will be able to recruit to a study so that we'll be able to turn around a data query or a query of, are we interested in a study, very rapidly.